Nanoxel is a 300 mg injection. Is an anti-cancer medication used for treatment of breast cancer, pancreatic cancer, and non-small cell lung cancer. Nanoxel contains paclitaxel, the most well-known natural source drug that used for cancer in the United States. Nanoxel derived from the bark of the Pacific yew tree, Taxus brevifolia. Development of extraction of Nanoxel. In 1962, sample of Pacific yew bark first collected by research from the U.S. Department of Agriculture (USDA), who were under contract to the NCI to find the natural product that might cure the cancer. 2 years later, Dr. Monroe E. Wall and Dr. Mansukh Wan discovered that extract from this bark contained cytotoxic activity. In 1977, NCI was able to confirm anti-tumor activity in the mouse melanoma B16 model. That paclitaxel, also known by its trade name Taxol, selected as a candidate for clinical development. Few research and clinical study. Finally, in 1994, in December, the FDA approved Taxol for the treatment of few types of cancer, such as ovarian cancer, breast cancer, and become a cancer drug and start to sales. Biological activity of Nanoxel. Nanoxel stops the uncontrolled cell division of cancer by forming the extremely stable and non-functional microtubules. The microtubules are the means of chromosome motion during mitosis, cell division. Mitosis is altered when the stable non-functional microtubules fail to form a normal mitotic apparatus. Nanoxel is a unique chemotrophic agent as it has a specific binding site on the microtubule polymer. There are certain therapeutic values for Nanoxel. First one is advanced non-small cell lung carcinoma. Nanoxel, in the combination with cisplatin, is indicated for the treatment of non-small cell lung carcinoma in patients who are not candidates for potentially curative surgery and or radiation therapy. The second one is AIDS-related Kaposi sarcoma. Nanoxel is indicated for the treatment of patients with advanced AIDS-related Kaposi sarcoma who have failed for the liposomal anthracycline therapy. Third, used for breast carcinoma. Treatment of patients with not positive breast carcinoma following anthracycline and cyclophosphamide therapy.
This is the isolation method of paclitaxel. First, we have to wash Pacific yew by using deionized water to wash away the impurities. Then next, we have to extract by using organic solvent like alcohol or ketone with a ratio of 1:1. Then filter the extract, transfer the extract to double wall tank. The water temperature in the tank is about 65 degrees to 70 degrees. Remove the organic solvent by distillation process and dilute the extract in methanol and water. Then sort out to precipitate the biomass. Sodium chloride is added to the extract under heavy stirring. Then separate biomass from the solution by filtration or centrifugation. Remove the resin and natural pigment by treating the dry biomass with mixture of acetone and hexane. Next, add pure water to obtain solution to form a paclitaxel enriched oily phase. Then transfer to dissenting desk. At the bottom of the desk is full of paclitaxel and other taxane. Then chromatographic purification of solution is conducted by using 3565 of acetone and hexane. Crystallization is the last step by adding 3 to 4 volume of hexane to the acetone solution. This is the FTIR of Nanoxel. So we look from left to right. So at 3319, there is OH stretching. It is broad and strong. Next is at 2971 is the CH stretching, which is CH3 or it is sp3 hybridization. Then at 1727 it is C double bond O stretching. At 1608 is CC stretching. At 1264 is CN stretching, and at 1094 is CO stretching. This image is produced by scanning electron microscopy. Is to characterize nanocell. So by using 3 kilovolts of accelerating voltage and 50,000 of magnification scale, we can see there is Y dots on it. So the Y dots is nanocell. The scale size is 1 cm to 100 nanometer. So the size of particle is about in the range 10 to 15 nanometer, and the average size is about 25.4 nanometer.
My name is DIVYANI and today I am here to present about the physical properties and chemical properties of Nanoxel. Physical properties are physical appearance, white crystalline powder, melting point 213 to 216 Celsius, solubility is insoluble in water. The chemical properties are chemical formula, which is C47H15NO40, molar mass 853.91 gram per mole, and the exact mass is 853.33 gram per mole. Now I'm going to present about the biosynthetic pathway of Nanoxel. Nanoxel is a complex tetracyclic diterpene. The biosynthetic pathway is believed to contain 19 steps. However, there are certain transformations which have yet to be fully characterized. The building blocks of nanoxels are C6C3, which is derived from the L-tyrosine or L-phenylalanine. The second one is C2, which is derived from the acetyl coenzyme. And the third one is C1, which is derived from S-methyl or L-methionine.
Synthesis route we're gonna propose is for Nanocell to produce peglytexyl nanoparticle injection. Nanocell is a formulation of texyl, which is a plant alkaloid. From Nanocell, it can be synthesized into a peglytexyl nanoparticle injection used in the pharmaceutical industry. The structure of texyl is attached below, and the synthesis route will be shown in the next slide.
For the conclusion, a polymeric micellar formulation of docetaxel were investigated in comparison to Taxotere. Nanocell showed comparable pharmacokinetic characteristics and anti-cancer activity in a preclinical investigation, with less side effects such as hypersensitivity reactions and fluid retention. As a result, Nanoxel is predicted to minimize hypersensitivity reactions and fluid retention while maintaining anti-tumor activity in cancer patients.